Hello everyone, this is Mr. Bulbul. Today I will show you how my room looks like, Bulbul Studio. And be careful, my room is very messy. Yeah. In my YouTube channel, I just focus on eating something, drinking something. But after watching this video, maybe you will know more than you did before about Mr. Bulbul. My room is full of something that I am interested in, my hobbies, my job. This is my room, very tiny room, but it's my paradise. There's some drawers, my clothes, and my main desk over there, and my tool box or work table. I don't know how to say. Some guitar amplifiers and DIY painting was. What's that? Yeah, look at this. Yeah, DIY. Yeah, the real DIY style. So all my small things about my hobbies, about my job. Yeah, crazy small things. I have a lot of hobbies. Before, the top of this table was full of my cameras and gadgets, but for the sake of video background, yeah, I displayed some Filipino drinks and yeah, Korean drinks, even empty bottles, even avocado oil. This looks like drinks. Yeah, I have a few camera lenses. I prefer using prime lenses actually. It's cheaper and nicer image. So 50 millimeters, 28, 24, 40, like that. And I have a few recorders, portable recorders. And this is Zoom H1N, which I don't like, so I don't use. And Sony M10. This is discontinued product, but this is the best portable recorder that I have ever had. So I really like this one. And this one is quite interesting one. I can connect XLR microphone directly, and it has SD card, and I can record. Yeah, just like reporter, street reporter. Yeah. And Osmo Pocket, which I don't like. I don't use. And GoPro Hero 5. I really hate this one. And some microphones for my recorders. And what's this? This is the strongest electric battery powered impact drill. Yeah, but I use this for screwdriver. 1000 Newton meter power. You know what? The Bulbul, the name of Mr. Bulbul, the first thing I named Bulbul was not me, but it was my guitar amplifier. My job is about car mechanical engineering things, but I studied electronics in college, so I still have interest making circuits. Particularly, I'm interested in very old-fashioned, old-school electric circuits using vacuum tubes. Yeah, this is a vacuum tube. Actually, I built 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a few guitar amplifiers for fun. But I named those amplifiers Bulbul amp. Bulbul number 1, Bulbul number 2, yeah, something like that. So, yeah, actually I built this one. I didn't design the circuit of this one, but I built and I played. Still got the blues on my wedding day using this amplifier. And yeah, Fender Princeton clone amplifier that I built about 10 years ago. And I have guitar amplifier speaker cabinet and Carvin Steve Vai signature guitar amplifier. Yeah. And that one looks like Marshall Plexi. Yeah, this is Plexi style cabinet, Plexi style cabinet. But that's just my project amplifier. Yeah, under construction for more than 5 years now. Look at that. Vacuum tube, FM, AM radio. And Mr.BulBul silver plug. I still think I am an audio guy, not video guy. Yeah. Because I played the guitar for a long time since I was young. So I was very interested how to record my guitar sound. So I have a lot of microphones and mixers and recording things. So I have Rode NT1A microphone and Shure Beta 58A and Shure SM57, and for my video I use this one, Rode NTG2 microphone. This is microphone pre-amplifier, cloud lifter and dynamite. If you're interested in microphone, maybe you know this product. And my main PC is MacBook Pro 2015 13-inch. I want to change. Walang pera. Well, I'm waiting for 2020 iMac. 2020. Maybe next springtime I will buy new one. But I can edit 4K. No problem. Walang problem. And my camera. Wow, very old one. EOS 7D. Crop sensor and old-fashioned, but I still use this for photograph because I love Canon's color science. And Sony Alpha 7S, the king of 1080p video. Yeah, this one is great. But the problem is autofocus is not good. So I upgraded my camera over there. I will talk about it soon. In my room, I never charge the battery. So I always use, this is my DIY, homemade DC-DC converter. So 16 volts comes in and 8.1 volts feeds into the dummy battery. A few weeks ago I upgraded, finally. Actually, this is inspired by Mr. Owen Youssef. I saw him using this one in Seoul, when we had soju together. Exactly same, copycat. Thank you, Owen. You inspired me. The quality is beast, and the size of files are also beast. The 1 terabyte SSD. If I record 1 hour, the file size is almost like 500 gigabytes. 500 gigabytes for 1 hour. Okay, this is my home setup. Home setup. This is my outdoor setup. I just bring this outside. Sony X3000 4K Problem is it has very small battery. So I use this grip. Actually, there are battery inside. So with these two combination, I can shoot 5 or 6 hours continuously. Another BulBul amplifier. Yeah, look at that. BulBul amplifier, custom hot rod 50 prototype circuits that I built before. Old-fashioned DAT 8-track recorder and compressor, something like that. And my guitars. Gentrix. This is my favorite guitar. Bernie Les Paul. I think my Bernie sounds better than Gibson 1959. I don't have any professional lighting setup here because my room is too small to put tripods for lighting. So I use, that's just LED light, the room light, not video light. And I shoot to the walls and ceilings, and the light reflects and it becomes very smooth. Yeah, like this. Yeah, like this. I am very interested in cameras and microphones and gazettes. So if you want to start your YouTube channel, and if you are curious about something or curious about the item that I have, don't hesitate to ask me. I really like to talk about it. All right, thank you very much and Happy New Year. Bye bye.